Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you how to connect data with Tableau. Let's begin. In the last session, I explained how to download and install Tableau. So if you have not seen my last video, please watch that. So when we are going to install Tableau in our desktop, we will see one icon, Tableau icon. So double click on that, then you will get this window. So in this window, what we have to do, we have to come here in data and then new data source. So connect here. Now we can see we can connect multiple kind of the data source like a file, server, oracle, non-oracle, everything. So I'm just explaining about the file. In the file you can see like we can connect excel sheet, tax, jackson, microsoft excel, pdf. This is a very good facility which we can connect through pdf also. That is unstructured data, so we will make structure. For that I will give you another session on that. Then if you are going to click here more, then we can see like here we can connect through Tableau workbook, Tableau package, Tableau data source, Tableau package data source, excel sheet, then text file, text delimiter. So many facility available here. Okay, so and then in the server side also a lot of facility. So just I will, you can see here like oracle, sbase, hina, then snowflake, spark, whatever we are seeing here, right side we can connect all data source like wave, then salesforce, everything is available. So I'm just going to show you one here, like excel sheet through connecting with the excel sheet. So I'm just browsing my file. So this is my file and open here. Now see, now we loaded the data. We can analyze that what we had loaded that is correct or not. Just scroll and check your data. So yeah, data is coming correctly and fine. So today I am going to close this video here. In the next video I will explain you how to make a report through data. Thanks for watching this video. Catch you in another video. Please like and subscribe my video.